Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Let's continue our exploration of Kvass. Filtered Kvass. Removing solid residues like yeast sediment and other impurities extends the drink's shelf life to 2 months and eliminates the yeasty taste. Also, a clear liquid poured into a cup looks better and more appealing to me, for example, than a cloudy one, even though sediment is proof of the product's natural quality. This kind of kvass is lighter, less dense, although along with the remaining yeast cultures the drink loses most of its B and E vitamins. Clarified kvass. Clarification is very often confused with filtration. In fact, they share one common step, removing the sediment using separators. But clarified kvass is characterized by color changes that make it cleaner and more appealing through the use of special enzymes. According to GO standards, kvass can only be clarified using substances that are later completely removed from its composition. And as a result, they take away part of the drink's authentic flavor with them. However, overall, the effect on the drink's aroma and taste is not significant. That's it for today, to be continued.